हेलो एवरीबडी, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग फाइन. आई नो मैं बहुत टाइम बाद पोस्ट कर रही हूँ, बट इट इज़ मेनली बिकॉज वेन आई स्टार्टेड दिस चैनल आई थॉट ऑफ इट एज एन informative page where I'll post information which was relevant to those who would want to know things, before joining a college, like all the things that I would have wanted to be known about before joining a college. So that I posted all that. I thought that was enough. But recently I was watching my old videos and I felt that there were so many things that have changed and that are not relevant anymore. So I thought that maybe there's a need for a second year experience video which will talk about the changes that has happened over an year. So here we are, second year experience. Second year was insane. Like we had 3 semesters back to back exams. It was so hectic, both academically and extracurricular activities. I did so much and nothing at the same time. I'll let you know what happened. So let's get in. There are so many things that I said in my previous videos which I do not agree to anymore. For example, there's this one line I said which haunted me for entire second year, and it was, teachers कैसे बुरे हो सकते हैं, teachers तो हमेशा अच्छे. I'll tell you. There was this one teacher and I took him thrice voluntarily. I have no idea why I took him thrice. मेरी मती मारी गई थी, but I took him and he used to come to class. He used to teach us the same thing. In the 3 semesters, he taught us the same thing thrice, and it was what is object, what is class, what is polymorphism, what is inheritance. It's done. That's all he used to do. I don't know why I took that teacher, but I just took him. But on the contrary, there was one teacher, for example, उन्होंने हमारी रात के 12 बजे तक एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस ली है जस्ट टू कंप्लीट द सिलेबस. एंड वो आते थे क्लास में, वो 1.5 आवर सिर्फ पढ़ाते थे एट 2x स्पीड. लाइक ही जस्ट यूज टू टीच. उनसे डाउट पूछो तो वो तुम्हें खड़ा के सब समझाएंगे और एक्स्ट्रा भी बताएंगे. सो ही वॉज अ क्रेजी टीचर. आई लाइक्ड हिम. सो एंड द फनी थिंग इज दीज 2 टीचर्स आर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. सो इट्स लाइक इनके ऊपर इनकी संगति का कोई असर नहीं पड़ रहा है, बिकॉज एक पढ़ाते ही नहीं है और एक इतना पढ़ाते हैं कि very nice teacher. Like TOC जैसा subject is very tough and he made it pretty easy, so I liked it. So I still stand by my point that there are good teachers, because इस सेम मेरे बहुत सारे टीचर्स बहुत अच्छे थे. मैथ्स के टीचर्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं हर बार. पिछली बार मैंने अंकित पाल से बताया था, बहुत सारे जूनियर्स ने लिए भी थे एंड दे टोल्ड मी दैट दे लाइक्ड हिम. ऑफ कोर्स यू विल लाइक हिम, ही वाज अ वेरी नाइस टीचर. और मैथ्स के टीचर में ई प्रसाद सर वाज वेरी नाइस एंड Ashish Kesharwani sir was very nice. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the names wrong. In my first video I said मैं block 2 में थी and it is as if I manifested it, क्योंकि मुझे block 2 से shift करके block 1 में कर दिया गया था because I made wrong choice filling or whatever. Now I did not want to be in block 1. I did not want to adapt to a new place altogether again. So I went to the warden and I was like, I want to change my block. I'll get sick. I can't eat the food here. I don't want to be here. And she's like, जब आप बीमार हो गए तब आना. It's like, okay queen. And I just knew मुझे यहीं रहना है 1 साल. And to be very honest, you weirdly get used to it after some time. Like honestly, if you ask me now that if I want to choose block 1 or 2 for my 3rd year, I have no idea, because there are some things that I hate about block 2 and I love about block 1, and there are some things that I love about block 2 and I hate about block 1. So it's like choosing between what you hate less, like voting in India. Anyways, second thing that I said was join new clubs. Well, it's funny coming from me because I am myself very antisocial, but this year I thought that I'll change it. I'll challenge myself. I'll put myself out there. So I joined some clubs and I had very mixed experiences. For example, some clubs were very nice where they actually let juniors do stuff, learn, work, experience everything. But there are some clubs where the seniors are just not ready to let go. Like they want to be everywhere and they want to be glorified. Bhaiya bhagwan ho, didiya bhagwan ho. And there are people who actually do it, which is very surprising to me. But like half of these groups, these clubs, they run on ass licking. But I could not stand those people. I don't think that putting yourself in a room full of people who you don't like or want to learn something from is any sort of character development. So I did not do it. There are these seniors who want to be respected just because they are seniors and not because they have done anything to earn it. For example, I'll tell you an experience. It's not even bad, it's just funny. Like there was one exam we had. I had morning shift, so I had to leave at 6 a.m. We had booked cabs and everything. It was all planned. But there's one thing, before leaving you have to take one slip, and those slips are with the receptionists, and they're in like a booklet. For example, if your slip's number is 3294, it will be in the slip book 3200. So my slip was in 3300. There was whole chaos when I went down, because obviously everybody has the exam. We spent 1.5 hours to reach the venue, so everyone was standing there and there was huge chaos. 10 मिनट उस chaos को मैंने देखा है, फिर मैंने सोचा है कि if I keep standing here I'm not gonna get my slip and I'll get late for the exam and I'll miss the exam. So I was like मुझे घुसना पड़ेगा. So I went in, धक्के खा के मैं घुसी हूँ उसमें. I somehow got in. And there were girls around me and we all wanted 3300 while register because our slips were in it. And I'm telling Didi that please give me this register, and Didi simply ये रजिस्टर नहीं है. ऐसे कैसे नहीं है, क्यों नहीं है रजिस्टर, ढूंढो. बट वहाँ पे इतना क्योस है कि उनके लिए भी पॉसिबल नहीं है, वो ढूंढ ही नहीं पा रहे हैं. लाइक वो बस ऐसे खड़े, प्लीज आप हट जाओ, पीछे हो जाओ. एट वन पॉइंट आई लॉस्ट इट. ऑब्वियसली इफ यू आर टेलिंग मी कि वो स्लिप है ही नहीं, दैट्स कंप्लीट नॉनसेंस, राइट? सो आई जस्ट टोल्ड हिम ऐसे कैसे नहीं है आपके पास रजिस्टर, आप ढूंढो तो आप थोड़ा ऑर्गेनाइज करके रखो उसको. 33100 रखो, फिर 3200 रखो, फिर 330 रखो, और फिर एक लाइन बनवाओ कि किसको कौन सा चाहिए. और यू जस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज इट व्हेन यू नो दैट देयर इज गोना बी अ chaos. सो आई जस्ट सेड इट, इतना कि आप ऑर्गेनाइज क्यों नहीं करते हो, आप ढूंढो ना, होगा. एंड देयर इज दिस सीनियर जिसको ना स्लिप मिलने वाली है. तो आई डिड नॉट इवन सी हर. शी इज लाइक कौन से बात से हो तुम, सीनियर से ऐसे बात करते हैं. हमने, मैंने तो आपसे बात ही नहीं की, मैंने तो आपको बुलाया ही नहीं, क्या बात कर रहे हो. एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड, यू नो, जब आपको अपनी स्लिप मिल रही हो तो ऑफकोर्स यू विल वांट आसपास बिल्कुल भी लोग, चाहे वो लोग मर जाए, आपका काम पहले हो जाए. बट आई मीन यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड इट, राइट? यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड इफ देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम, जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर नॉट सफरिंग फ्रॉम दैट प्रॉब्लम, you should not just eradicate the existence of that problem. दीदी, whoever you were, if you are seeing this, मुझे समझ आ गया था कि अब दीदी वो रिसेप्शनिस्ट को मक्खन लगा रही है ताकि उनको उनकी स्लिप पहले मिल जाए. बट दीदी दूसरे बच्चों को नहीं मिल रही ना. आप सोचो मेरे साथ 10 लोग खड़े हैं जिनको नहीं मिल रही, और हमारे रजिस्टर को तो गायब ही कर दिया है कि ये एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता. तो ऑफ कोर्स वी विल हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. यहाँ से कुक्कू होकर दीदी, सुबह सुबह क्या लड़ूं यार, और ऐसे बैल बुद्धि लोगों से तो मैं लड़ भी नहीं पाती. I have some very good seniors, like I love them. They're gonna graduate this year and next year, and it's so sad. Like they were such nice people. एक दीदी ने तो मुझे बिठा के पूरा ऐसे रोड मैप दिया था कि चाहत ये करो वो करो. Like she took out time for that and she was so nice. Punita Didi, if you're watching this, love you. Now the most important part, the one which will get you through all the college years, friends. And I got very lucky in this because I made this beautiful group of friends in my first year, and I still have them, and I'm so lucky to have them. I can see them till the very end. And I don't believe in making so many friends because I have seen things get messy and been there, done that, never again. So yeah, I'm lucky in that part. I also got very good roommates this year. I used to ask her random things कि यार मेरे ना ये right आँख के इस साइड पे बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, मैं क्या करूँ. एंड शी हैड आंसर फॉर दैट. मेरे हाथ पे फेविक्विक लग गई, मैं क्या करूँ, इसे कैसे उतारूँ. शी हैड आंसर फॉर दैट. शी हैड आंसर फॉर एवरी डम क्वेश्चन आई आस्क्ड हर, एंड शी वाज लाइक माई मदर in that room. I feel जब आप अच्छे होते हैं आपको अच्छे लोग मिल ही जाते हैं. So good luck finding good friends to spend your 4 years in college. 4. Apart from all the chaos, I've learned a lot this year, and it has changed me a lot as a person, I feel. First thing that I learned was patience, a hell lot of patience. Second was standing up for yourself, even if it is standing up against some teachers, students, elders, youngers, no wonder who. If you are being wronged, stand up for yourself because no one is going to do that for you. Third thing is definitely having boundaries. You can't talk to everyone with the same level of comfort. There's a fine line and you should not let anyone cross that line. And the most important, not tolerating people's bullshit just because they are elder to you. If you do it now, you will keep doing it for the rest of your life. Say it out loud when something is wrong, because why not? Who are you afraid of? Just say it. Before going, I just realized that it's that time going on when you have to choose a college. You have to think if you want to go to a particular college or not, and you are very stressed. I can understand because I've been there, but trust me, after joining the college, you'll not even remember that phase. By that, I don't mean that it's not important. It obviously is, but don't stress yourself a lot. Don't burn yourself out because of that. Make the right decision, whatever sits right with you, whatever feels right to you. And if you choose to come to the college, we'll definitely meet. And also shout out to the last year juniors, they were very sweet, and trust me, you're gonna have a very good set of seniors because tab tak hamare wale chale jayenge. All the very best. Bye bye.